Okay, so in the first video, I showed the unboxing of the unit, and it cut off. Well, 3 minutes was up, and I was still talking. So, but I wanted to open some more of the containers. So these are the sponges that put the seeds in, and these are the net pots. So after you soak these sponges in water, they'll expand, and then you put the seeds in. I'm going to put 2 seeds per sponge in each one. And I thought this unit also came with some stickers. Yes, it does. It comes with some stickers, so you can write what it is and the date that you planted it, and then these go on the net cups, go around the top of the net cups to block as much light as possible, because all these holes that are made for these stakes, they light gets in there. So I don't know if I'm going to use those or not. I'm probably going to cover those up. Any pods that I don't use, any holes that I don't use, I'm going to cover them with probably some tape, so that no light gets in and it'll discourage the algae. On the front, you see there's a window, so you can check your water level. When I start the seeds, I'm not going to put nutrients in right away. I'm going to wait until the seeds germinate, and then I'm going to add nutrients to the water. And, you know, again, the nutrients came with the unit. So, sorry, someone's calling. Nutrients came with the unit, so you just fill this up with water. Since I already have one of these units, I already have nutrients that are mixed up, so those I'm just going to sit to the side and use those at a later time. And what else? Oh, I wanted to show you the seeds that I'm going to start in this unit. So I plan on starting some Tiny Tim tomatoes. I'm also going to do some lettuce. And here's another lettuce. This is black-seeded Simpson lettuce. I'm going to do some Premier kale. And I'm going to do some baby choy. So that's what I'm going to start in this unit. And then I will post progress. I think I'm also, when I set it up, I will also do a video to show you where I have it. And once it's all set up, you can see how that looks. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.